Good afternoon. So last night and this morning we got a snow event here. You can see the roads are pretty good now, but they were pretty rough earlier. I had one squad car that I had to pull out of the ditch, and then a pickup truck that has slid sideways, and I had to winch him out on the interstate. I didn't have my cameras with me, but I do now. The roads are clean enough that I can start getting some of these cars out of the ditch. It's an Acura, it's in the median, and I've got the sheriff's department coming to block off the left lane for me. So I'll see you when we get there. Lots of fun. Out of nowhere too. It wasn't supposed to be anything.
No, it wasn't bad at all. I thought you guys been busy today.
No.
Really?
I've just been turning people down. I said, are you blocking a lane? And I'm not going to worry about it right now. I gotta get something out of that box. Okay. How you doing? Stand back a little bit for me real quick. No, over here. No, over here. Because if that breaks, I don't want you to get hurt. You have the key? You want to do me a favor? Start it. I'm going to take that strap off and just pull up right behind the truck here. Are you good to drive then? Do you know where the YMCA is up ahead?
Yeah.
We're gonna all three go to the YMCA and then we'll figure everything out in the parking lot, okay?
The YMCA?
Yep, meet me there. We're good.
Lay down.
Okay, perfect. Give me a second to get all your information in here real quick. So were you driving earlier? It was scary?
Oh, yeah.
I bet. Let me take a scan your VIN number here. Okay, 1 second. Let me wrap my cables up and then I'll have you get in the truck with me and we'll take care of payment if that's okay. Maybe not, it's really wet right there. Hold on just a second. So it was a pretty simple winch out. Originally he had called when the roads were still really nasty, and I told him we wouldn't be able to get it out right that second since he wasn't blocking a lane. But then once the plows came through and the salt melted the snow, I felt comfortable enough to have a lane blocked and cars driving by without really being worried that they were going to slip into me. But we got him out and on his way. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.